Hi guys, I'm Anuj Jalota. We are trying to be solving every possible MCQ. We did that for CA Inter Costing. We are doing that for CA Inter Financial Management, and we are doing that for CA Final Strategic Cost and Performance Management. A lot of students are getting benefited because of these lectures. To add to that value, for CA Inter Costing, we have started to put our regular lectures of the previous batch. Completely free on YouTube, which will be accompanied by a soft copy of the textbook. Apart from that, ranking of every question. Apart from that, you're going to be getting summary notes for every question. Whatever is possible is being done. You have a dedicated kind of homework section. To avail that, to find out that, you can watch every Saturday, Sunday at 9 p.m. The lectures keep on coming. Let's start it off with today's question. This is all about leverage. Leverage means risk. Okay, risk arises due to presence of fixed cost. Everybody faces risks, but then risk is something that is quite difficult to quantify. This chapter solves that problem. It helps you to quantify your risk. Quantify means give a certain number to it. In business, we often say this thing that risk arises due to presence of fixed cost. Fixed costs are of two types. You have operating fixed cost. Operating fixed cost, example, you all have your salaries, rentals, up and so on. You have your financial fixed cost, something like interest and preference dividend. Now, do remember, whenever there is fixed cost, there is a certain amount of risk because you have to be earning at least that much. So, therefore, you can pay all these particular fixed costs. The leverage or the risk that comes because of operating fixed costs like salaries and rentals is popularly called as operating leverage. And the risk that comes due to presence of interest and preference dividends are popularly called as financial leverage. And trying to measure the risk because of both of these factors is going to be called as combined leverage or overall leverage or overall risk. So the question is, which of the following is correct? Okay. So you have CL combined leverage is equal to operating leverage plus financial leverage minus financial leverage. You have CL is equal to OL into FL, and lastly you all have CL is equal to OL divided by FL. Okay. So which one of them is correct? In case you all know the answer, this is a time to be commenting, please. Now, see, the thing is that we wish to be measuring overall risk. If you want to be measuring the overall risk, then you try to be finding out combined leverage. Formula of combined leverage is percentage change in EPS divided by percentage change in sales. Actually, all these formulas come only from one single kind of a concept, and that is percentage change in dependent variable divided by percentage change in independent variable. And in relation to all the fixed costs, dependent variable is obviously your EPS and independent variable is of course your sales. Now, this formula can be converted into many forms that you might have done. Some people might have done contribution upon EBT. Some people might have done percentage change in PAT divided by percentage change in sales. Okay, there are so many versions of it. Okay, but might be a simpler version that I'll require for this question is nothing but combined leverage is also multiplication of two forms of leverages, that is operating leverage and financial leverage. I guess that's enough for this question. So therefore, which one of them is correct? So I guess answer number C is all correct. That should be the correct answer. Yeah, that is the correct one. So it's all done for today. By the way, this is the QR code. If you'll scan this, it will take you to a playlist that has every possible MCQ of all the questions of financial management. Whichever videos we all have put so far, all of them are consolidated in this playlist. There are also individual playlists, one for every chapter. In case you want to be seeing the specific kind of the MCQs of any specific chapter, kindly go over to the concerned playlist of that. That's it from my side. I'll see you all next time. Till then, take care. Bye.